Hi, my name is Melina East. I'm an account manager at imageOne, and I'm going to share with you why HP print devices are being called the most secure devices in the market. In addition to what comes standard out of the box for most print devices today, things such as hard drive encryption, pull pin printing, and also instant security notifications. HP has also introduced 4 additional security features for their enterprise managed SKU fleet. These SKUs and models are available through premier partners with HP. The first, starting with HP Sure Start. When the device boots up for the first time, it validates the integrity of the BIOS. In the event it's discovered that that copy of the BIOS has been compromised in any way or form, it then references back to a golden copy. Those of you may be familiar that this is very standard practice for our laptops today. In addition to security features that come into play at the startup of the device, we also have HP Runtime Intrusion detection. This will continue to monitor the device against any potential threats or attacks, and if one is discovered, it will automatically reboot the device. And then we have HP Connection Inspector. This will evaluate outgoing network connections, validate the integrity of them, and also detect any suspicious activity. If suspicious activity is discovered, the device will automatically trigger a reboot. So with these 4 security features, in addition to what comes standard today out of the box, is why HP is being called the most secure print devices in the market.